Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Dr. SNS Rajashri College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to take the class about enumerated data types and typedef. This document explores two powerful features are in the C programming language. Enumerated data types, that is called as enum, and then typedef keyword. Enumerated type allow you to define set of a named integer constant, improving the code readability and maintainability. Typedef enables you to create alias for existing data types, similar complex data declaration and enhancing code quality, and document will delve into the syntax using the benefits of both features and providing examples. Introduction to enumerated data types. Enumerated data types using enum keyword. Keyword is enum. Enumerated data types. The user-defined data type that consists of set of named integer constant called enumerator. It is essentially provide a way to associate meaningful names with integer values, making code more self-document and less prone to errors. Enumerated data type in C allow programmer to define custom type with the set of named integer constant called enumerator. Using the keyword enum, this type of assign sequential integer values starting from 0 by default to names, making code more readable and maintainable. Example, defining the days of week, enum clarify the compared with the plain integer, improving the program structures. Okay, enumerated data types, the user defined name, and then code readability, error detection of the programs. Next one, defining enum. The general syntax for the declaring enumerated types. Enum is the keyword, enumeration name, and then enumerator 1 and 2, and then list of values. End with holy braces with semicolons. Example, enum, the name of the enumerated type is optional. Okay, if omitted you can create anonymous enum, enumerator 1 and 2 and n, the names of the integer constant with the enum, that enumeration, that the default value enumeration assigned to integer value starting from 0 and then incrementing by the 1 for each subsequent enumerator. For example, enum weekdays. Okay, enum is the keyword, the weekdays. Weekdays is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that up to Saturday. End with holy braces, close with semicolon. And then I improve the code clarity. Next one, benefits of the using enum. Okay, first one is readability. Readability, enum make code easy to understand by replacing magic number with meaningful names. The second one is maintainability. Maintainability, if you need to change the value associated with the particular state, you only need to modify associated with the particular state, only need to modify the enum definition rather than searching and replacing the value throughout the your code. Third one is type safety. While C does not enforce the strict type checking for enum, they are implicitly convertible int using the enum and help to prevent assigning the invalid values to variable. Compiler may issue warning if you try to assign the integer value outside the range. Error prevention. The debugging often displays enum values by their symbolic name and then making easier. Next one, introduction to typedef. Typedef is the keyword C allows renaming of data type including enum to create shorter or more meaningful alias. By combining typedef with enum, programmer can simplify the variables declaration and enhancing code and readability. And then example, typedef enum each word is if date instead of enum day, making the code is more conscious and intuitive. Okay, the typedef keyword using create an alias or the synonym for an existing data type. It does not create a new data type. It simply gives another name to existing one. This can be particularly useful for the simplifying complex type declaration for making the code more readable. And then renaming of type name. The general syntax for the typedef existing data types if already created data types, and then give the new name alias name, that is called existing data type is nothing but data you create alias for it, and the new name is you want to give the another name for the existing data. Next one, benefits of the typedef. Then readability. Typedef can make code easier to read and understand, especially when they're dealing with the complex data types. Maintainability. If you need to change the underlining of the type, you only need to modify replacing the type throughout your code. Then portability. It can be abstract way to platform specific data type, making code more portable. And then abstraction is nothing but hide the implementation details and provide the more abstract view. And then next, common use case, simplifying and complex structure declaration, creating alias for the function and pointer, defining the platform independent data types, and then improving the code readability, making easy to understand and maintenance of the program. Thank you.